Hello guys, I am back. Today it may be a bit different from the previous video that I have made. This time I would like to present to you my unboxing of a smart fitness device from Micha. It is a Micha smart dumbbell. Okay, I bought it from Taobao China for around $30 with a shipping price included. The dumbbell is available in two configuration, the 2 kilogram version, while the set version 1 kilogram by 2, it means 2 dumbbell, and the other 4 0.5 kilogram weight block. For my case, I got the set version. Okay, so let's unbox it. Let's unbox the set first. Okay, you can see the block of 0.5, nothing else. Okay, you got 4 of them. I see it stick to the main set by the rotating mechanism. There is a major logo. Okay, and it's a matte design, so it's anti-fingerprint, which is nice. I think for them it's almost the same. Okay, the same. Okay, so let's do it quickly. Here, okay, it's also written. It weigh a 0. Zoom in up. It's 0.5 kilogram. Okay, let's unbox the dumbbell itself. There is 2 dumbbell. One dumbbell is weigh 1 kilogram. Okay, let's look around the box first. The image of the dumbbell itself. There is the LED screen. Okay, the major logo. Okay, the box is nothing else. Here is the image of the simple person. Okay, here is the QR for download the Xiaomi or Mi Home app. Okay, here is the QR just to scan for the instruction video. Okay, here let me get close to it. Okay, the box as always from Xiaomi is very detailed. It's very feel premium. Okay, as you can see, there is a rotating mechanism to open the cover, and then there is a way to include the battery to operate to operate the operational screen. This is a AAA battery, as you can see, and then put it back. Okay, here is the, as always, from Xiaomi manual, but since this is of a China focused device, the menu is written in China, no English. Okay, never care. Okay, here is the dumbbell itself. Is heavy. Okay, there is a screen, there is a power button, as you can see. Okay, let's remove this. Again, Micha logo on both sides. Okay, that's the other one. The box is, that's all. The other one is there is no operational screen. Okay, same again, Micha logo. Okay, this dumbbell equipped with a high precision 6-axis motion sensor, including a 3-axis gyroscope and a 3-axis accelerometer to ensure accurate movement tracking. It sports the ergonomic handle. I think it's 32mm diameter with an anti-slip matte finish, so it's providing a very secure and comfortable grip. The design incorporates a quick release mechanism for the adjustable way, allowing you to switch between a 1 kilogram and 2 kilogram setup effortlessly by adding and remove the 0.5 detachable way block. Okay, let's go up. Okay, it's easy, just rotate it to remove it. Up. Okay, just try to rotate it, and then you add the block. Here is the block you unboxed previously. Rotate it, grab. Okay, and here is the other one. Okay, you have to click it to make it secure. Okay, so it's become a 2 kilogram dumbbell. So the idea is very nice and very intuitive. Okay, the Micra dumbbell feature a very intelligent LED dot matrix display that provide a real-time update on exercise metric, including repetition, duration, calorie burn, directly on the handle, allowing you to focus on our workout. Okay, the smart dumbbell offer a long-lasting performance with a hidden battery compartment housing a two AAA battery. They support up to 177 days of usage, so it is around 6 months. Okay, here let me test the display. You have to open it. Let's see. Okay, here I think this is in this orientation. Okay, you press it, calorie burn, the repetition, okay, the duration of workout. Okay, you can see all the data on the dumbbell itself, and it's okay if you open the Micra app and pairing it using a Bluetooth. Okay, the dumbbell seamlessly integrate with the Mi Home app, taking the fitness tracking to the next level. Through the app, a user can access a professionally body shaping and aerobic workout video course led by the certified trainer. The course are further enhanced with a real-time voice guidance and encouragement, creating an immersive and motivating workout experience. Okay, however, let me show the battery compartment. I think I forgot to show it. Okay, I think where is it? Here. There is a battery logo. Okay, just press it and pull it out here. Okay, here there is two you need two AAA battery. Just okay, it's very hidden. Up, and then you insert the block back. Okay, so thanks for watching, and hit like if this help you out, and let me know in the comment if you have any question or recommendation. See you in the next one. Bye bye.